Friends, Running Kimono here. It is Friday, October the 6th. These deals are for Friday, October the 6th, only part of the My Walgreens week. Today we are looking at curbside deals, or if you wanted to order it from the store, get it shipped to your house. 25% off when you spend 20 or more with WAG25, and 30% off a $60 order with the code WAG30. One-time use as well, from my understanding. And if you still have the 15% booster as well, it does stack. And we'll look at that in a couple of deals, but you can also use Walgreens cash for the balance. Now, if this does not excite you, Saturday will be the main event of 20 back when you spend 45. And I believe this is both in-store and online for this Saturday, October the 7th promotion. So this is going to be really, really fantastic. It's going to be like yesterday's deal with a bit of extra spice, especially if you have that 15% back. So you pick wisely which day and the deals you want to do. So we are looking at ordering this stuff through your cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet, hitting the button on the left-hand side where the red check is, and ordering it curbside to go pick it up at the store. Or alternatively, for this one, you can get shipping. If there's certain items that you want to get on the website, that should also work as well. While I was doing my research on the website, I was looking for Legos specifically, like, would it work with these coats? Because these coats are really generous. The answer to that is no. So if you were looking at, like, this $90 Lego set, you are out of luck. Before we dive into the deals, if you can please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today. You would really make my day. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, and I'm just going to show you this deal to just kind of show you what this percentage off, like how can you use it to your biggest savings. We have a bottle here of the Juicy Couture. It's an orange perfume. It seems really nice. Anything the Juicy Couture line, very nice. So it's $62.99. So when you are checking out, where it says enter promotion code, you are going to type in WAG30, and check that out, guys. We have $18.90 coming off, so 30% of the cost of that bottle of perfume. Now, looking at it in the ledger here, I'm going to pick this up at the store, my tax, so it's $46.74. You know what I would do? I would try to add $4 extra of merchandise and then use $50 in Walgreens cash and forego that $9.30. The $9.30 is actually the 15% back, but if you could just throw in some cheap toilet paper or something, if you wanted to get that bottle of Juicy Couture and just roll some Walgreens cash, I think that's a smart way to do it for that specific deal. Deal number 2, we're going to look at this toothbrush, which is everybody's favorite, the $79.99 Oral-B IO, this guy. Load this digital coupon, which is a $10 off, and yes, it is attaching to I think it's called IO3. That one is the cheapest of the 3 expensive ones. This is to spend $50, get $15 back in Walgreens cash, and yes, that WAG30 is attaching. So typing that in, you're saving $21. So right there, you can see, if you wanted this toothbrush, that's a really good code to use. With your debit card, you're going to have to pay $52.53 because the promotion for this is to spend $50, get back $15. So, that's part of it. And then the 15%. So you're getting back $26.85. It doesn't make it the worst deal. It's like 70% off after everything is said and done. That $52 is a lot out of pocket, though, but you decide is this a good deal for you, yes or no. Okay, so we're looking at deal number 3. We're going to throw our best friend into the basket, which is the Olay Super Serum Night Repair, $34.99. So throw that into the basket. We have a $10 digital that is attaching to said product. So load this coupon. This specific product, we're getting an extra $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25 on skincare. And then the percentage, look, it's attaching. So looking at the overall basket, we're at $34.99. The promotion code 625 melting off. Free curbside pickup, a $10 digital coming off. With your debit card, if you paid $20.46, you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, $5 for the promotion, and then $5 for the 15% if you still have that booster loaded as well. So, I mean, that's a little something back for you. Remember to use your debit card for this one, though. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at is some very expensive Tide. These guys at $15.99 each, and it's the Oxy Power one, so it's like one pod equals like 3 or something like that. We have the following digital coupons. That is a $3.50 off, so load this guy. And we have another $3 or $4 coupon. Sorry, I'm lying again. For this product, so load them, and both of them are attaching. So just to show you the promotion code, 612 coming off with WAG25, so that's a little bit of savings pour vous. And then the overall basket is $31.98. Your savings of $612, $7.50 in digitals, $19.91. Honestly, I'd throw an extra dollar and use $20 in Walgreens cash and forego that $4.65 and call this an okay deal. I mean, it's just a way to roll some Walgreens cash to get something like these very expensive pods, if that's your thing. I know a lot of people collect detergent around here. I know who you are. The Pantene, the Axe, the razors, and all the other magical deals, I'm going to wait for tomorrow's deal. I think that paying $10 on a basket is far too much when we're going to get it all for free on Saturday. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.